Hi, in this video I will show you how to add reverb to a song in Capcut. So in order to do that, head over and open the Capcut application and then click onto this new project option. Now from in there, just choose in here the project you want to use. I'll choose in here this one. And then in here, if you're actually imported a song, you can find it right here. You can just click onto the particular video. And then once you click on it, you can swipe onto the bottom right here until you can find the option called extract audio. So just swipe until you find it right around here. Here's extract audio. So click on it and then it will extract the audio. So once the audio has been extracted, you now have in here the song. Click onto that audio right there, and then after that, click onto this audio effects. So from in here, you can find other audio effects like voice character as well as filters. But you can also apply other audio effects, like for example, speed, noise, and the like. So you head over and click on audio effects, and then find in here the echo, and once you have found the echo right here, you can head over and then add that to the actual song. And then it will create a reverb to the song that you want. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.